Hello. Okay. Hi. I know you're all getting ready for the long 4th of July weekend, and some of you are sending the kids out to camp. Thank God. We have a new delivery from a brand that you all love and you keep asking me for. It's called Rails. Rails used to be just a young shirt line, so it wasn't really for me. Now they have expanded into an entire collection. So gentle price point, perfect for going out east, Fire Island, I don't know, you're going to Nantucket, whatever may be. These are all at gentle price point. You will never know. The quality is exceptional. The strap looks like, no, oh, okay. So I'm like, whose boob is up here? No, so basically, this is how it sits. It's a shibori type tie-dye. This is that amazing shape. It fits everyone. Small chested, big chested, no chested, large chested. Gorgeous. Do I have prices? Hold on. These will be on our website very soon. No prices. Okay, so that's dress number 1 for Rails. Dress number 2. Now, we carry all sorts of price points at Gallery Couture, and especially Lou. Hello, ladies. If you're a medium, you're gonna want this dress. First of all, this gets tied. The great thing about Rails, first of all, I can tell the placement of the bust line is enough room for a woman. This is not necessarily for a little young girl. This is for a real woman. Adjustable bra strap, high-low in the front. The print is amazing. It really feels great. This brand reminds me, I'm gonna get into trouble, reminds me of Bella Doll because their price points are very similar. This with a jean jacket will look great. However, I just feel like Rails is a bit more elevated. I feel it's a step above, especially the pieces we just saw. They look like they're kind of part of a designer brand. This is a linen cotton situation, perfect beach cover up. Honestly, you don't even have to try these clothes. I know they will fit. I know they will be on our website, gallerycouture.com. Please go on it, and we will post them very shortly. So this is the dress. So cute. It feels delish. I love this print, whatever it is, I love it. What the hell is it? Ooh, such a vintage dress. Ooh, I love. Notice how it's all Ampere waist. The tie in the front, a little peekaboo, so what? Thick strap for a bra. It's smocked in the back for comfort. And this has a little bit of a tulip shape. It kind of goes in a little bit. If you're skinny, perfect. If you're not skinny, perfect. It's meant for all types of bodies. I just feel like they have found that secret sauce. That sauce that says these clothes will fit practically everyone. Well, listen, this may not be, oh, what size is this? This is a large. This may not be everyone's shtick, but if it's 90 degrees out, you have kids pulling on your leg and pulling on your hair, or whatever it may be, you want comfort. You don't want clothes to fit and hug you. This is what you want. Rails at Gallery Couture. We're going to be carrying a lot of it because I love it. Happy Friday. Ciao.